Me now walk lawless, me walk with code. Me carry the tablets like Moses' load. Commandments of Jah, me daily bread. Me step like soldier, word in on me head. Who you march with? Jah command. What you carry? Law in hand. When you step on holy ground, what you chant? Righteous sound. Me lace up my boot, pick up my cross. 10 laws are my weapon, me not get lost. First command, me serve one king. Jah was me everything. Second law, me bow to none. No carve God under the sun. Who you march with? Jah command. What you carry? Law in hand. When you step on holy ground, what you chant? Righteous sound. Third law, my God, my tongue. Jah name my holy, my song them strong. Fourth series, Sabbath me keep. Praise and worship so go deep. Fifth law, my honor my roots. Mama and Papa bear good fruits. My heart now rebel, my soul now bend. Jah commandments from start and end. From start to end. Sixth law, no shed no blood. Me spread peace in a righteous flood. Seven, me stay faithful and true. Me covenant clean, me pass through. Eight, no stealing in the street. Me honest living, no cheat. Nine, me lips speak only light. No false witness, me walk upright. 10, no jealousy in my heart. My content from the very start. Me march with truth, yes I. Me march with light. Jah guide I, commandments sure. Them not lie. Reggae gospel from Most High. Commandments the beat of my soul. Jah law keep me strong, make me whole.